I have never loved incense more, and having a piece of art in my home that just makes me feel relaxed is wonderful.
And I absolutely love the smell of whatever comes out of it. I've got all kinds of cones and they all smell great. It leaves a good, lingering, pleasant smell in the house. Just watching the smoke go down is great. It's a good addition to my house. Thanks.
It is so nice. It's relaxing. The smoke when it comes off is real thick, but it doesn't fill the room. It just fills the room with the smell. So I really love them.